Welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's class, we're going to be looking at another question that involves the use of the mole concept. And the question is as follows. Analysis of chlorophyll shows that it contains 2.88% of magnesium. How many atoms of magnesium does 1.20 gram of chlorophyll contain? To solve this question, we need to first of all find how much of this 1.20 gram of chlorophyll is magnesium. Because the question tells us that chlorophyll contains 2.88% of magnesium. So the first thing we need to find is the quantity of magnesium that is present in 1.20 grams of chlorophyll. So according to the question, the mass of chlorophyll is 1.20 grams, and the percentage of magnesium is 2.88%. What this therefore means is that the mass of magnesium will be 2.88 over 100 times 1.2. This will give us 0.03456 grams of magnesium. Now that we know the mass of magnesium, before we can find the number of atoms of magnesium, we need to know the number of moles that this mass of magnesium corresponds to. And to do that, we must know the molar mass of magnesium. So first, the molar mass of magnesium is 24 grams per mole. So the number of moles of magnesium, is simply going to be the mass over the molar mass, which will be equal to 0.03456 divided by 20. And this gives us a value of 1.44 times 10 raised to the minus 3. So this is the number of moles that 0.03456 grams of magnesium corresponds to. Now that we know this, we can find the number of atoms. The number of atoms of magnesium, is going to be equal to the number of moles of magnesium, multiplied by Avogadros constant. And this will be equal to 1.44 times 10 raised to the minus 3 times 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. And this gives us a value of 8.6688 times 10 raised to the power 20. So therefore, the number of atoms of magnesium, which is what this question wants us to find, will be equal to 8.6688 times 10 raised to the power 20. Thank you for viewing, and see you in the next one.